Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Thank you for tuning in and stopping by to watch the video, guys. Today I don't have my mic and it's not charged up. I went out here to the garage, getting ready to start this video, and I don't have my mic charged, so it's on charge now. But thanks for stopping by, and all you current subscribers, thanks for hitting that bell button, hitting that like button, and all that good stuff. Today, guys, got a little upgrade to the bike, and kind of excited to get it started. Hopefully I'll get it all done today. If not, I'll have to finish it another day. But come along with me here. I'm going to show you what kind of upgrade I got. And I just opened the tape of it. I've not officially seen what they look like. So I'm going to turn the camera down there and we'll slide this box over. Hopefully you can see that. Now we're going to get started with this opening. See everything right here. All that good stuff. Let you see what I got here. Alright, let's take out the packaging. I hate packaging. And all the bolts and crannies, and hopefully this thing's got good directions. So we're going to slide them over to the side. All that good stuff. So what do we have here? Let's open the box out. I might use that. So we're going to set the box here. And let's see what we got in the box, guys. Box started. Got all kinds of padding. That's a good thing, right? We'll set these here. Alright. Take a look at these nice floorboards, guys. Got the rubber molding right here with the chrome fluted. I think those are going to be a nice upgrade to the bike. As soon as I figure out how these go, I'm not the best mechanic. I can do my basic oil changes, brake pads or something like that. And I've done a few things to the bike myself. So there's one. Here's all my brackets. Hinges that I'll need. Get this other couple out here. Screws. Okay. Here are some bolts. Get those out and set them to the side. Let's go ahead and look at the other one here underneath. Where's it at? Underneath it, right here. Covered up by this floorboard shaped. Well, I like the padding that it came in. Well protected, guys. Here's the other one. There's the left side. They really do look good. Like I say, if you order set these from eBay, that's where I got them from. They're well padded in. And plenty of padding here, guys. So that's always a good thing, right? So we're going to put this here, and I got the bike jacked up here already, and I want to go over here and get started and see how hard these floorboards, my factory ones, are going to be hard to take off, and then we'll go from there, guys. Like I say, I'm not going to record the whole thing. I'm going to record a before and after version of it, and because like I said, I'm not the best mechanic, and we'll be here all day. Hopefully not. So I'm going to get started at the video, and on the finishing product, what it looks like, I'll record that, okay? Thanks for watching. If you ain't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and drop a comment, guys. Have a good day. Hey guys. Alright, I'm through with the floorboard project, guys, and I just want to show you a little bit on the finished product here on the Street Glide. I will let you know that these are a Definace floorboard set. I ordered these from Amazon, and at the bottom of the video I will show you a link. First of all, guys, I am not sponsored by this company, not sponsored or paid by this floorboard company, and I just want to put that out there. And let's go over to the bike and see what it looks like. Take a look at those, guys. We went from those, I'll show you the other fat stock ones I had here in a minute. There's the rear floorboard. The wife really likes those. They got a rubber texture on these. They got chrome billet right here through this, and chrome billet outlined all the way around. And the set come with the shifter knobs. I think the shifter knobs look really good too, guys. Go around here to the other side. Garage is a mess. I'm gonna clean this garage up. So there's the rear folded up, and here it is. And here it is on this side, guys. So the set come with the floorboard, or not the floorboard, but the brake pedal. So I thought it was a good value for how good it looks and everything. And it wasn't too hard putting in. You basically, what I had to do was take off the old pins from the outside, and I slid the new ones in. And let me find one of my other floorboards, and I'll show you the differences, what we went from. So we went from this being there, and I actually gained some more floorboard coverage, as you see right here, to this. I think I like this, I really do. I don't have nothing against it, but I saw another guy's bike about 2 years ago, and I saved the picture on those, and he had on his, and man, his bike was black and he had those on it, and I just fell in love with them, and I finally got around to order me a set. So from these to those, I think they look good. I think there's improvement on the bike, and I think they look good. I really like them real well. Really like them. So I just wanted to show you. As I told you at the beginning of the video, I'm no mechanic at all. If I tried to set that camera down there, we'd be all day. But I like doing little stuff. As I told you, I can do the minor stuff, changing brakes, oil, my normal maintenance I do on my bike. That saves a lot of money, guys. So hope you guys are out there riding. It's getting warm down here in Southwest Virginia, and I'm gonna take advantage of it as soon as I can. You guys be safe, and God bless.